Transform your tube expansion process with the new and cost-friendly TES-2000 digital tube expanding system, engineered for precision, efficiency, and easy operation in demanding industrial applications. Precision and control. The TES-2000 controller is the heart of the system, built for durable performance and straightforward maintenance. Its advanced digital control ensures every tube is expanded to the same target torque, reducing operator variability and improving joint consistency. By controlling torque precisely, the TES-2000 helps prevent overrolling and protects tube sheet ligaments from distortion, critical when working with tight tolerances and high joint density tube sheets. With variable speed control and torque repeatability of plus or minus 1%, you get stable, repeatable results across the entire job. Equipped with a state-of-the-art servo drive, the TES-2000 delivers smooth, controlled expansion cycles and high-quality repeatability. The system is fully digital and modular, adapting easily to a wide range of tube diameters and materials. Whether you're working with standard alloys or exotic materials, the TES-2000 provides consistent performance, helping reduce rework, improve process reliability, and support demanding quality requirements. The text panel, TP Series HMI, provides a straightforward monochrome text and graphics interface with durable membrane keys. Simple by design, it still delivers robust control functions and intuitive operation, making it easy to use for operators of any skill level. Programmable timers for cycle start, reverse pause, and end-of-cycle control. Low torque suppression timer to help prevent tool and joint damage. Internal memory for storing log files. As standard, the machine can be used with a tool balancer, as shown here, to improve handling and reduce operator fatigue. For extended reach, KRAIS also offers an optional telescopic shaft, a practical way to improve efficiency in access tubes in hard-to-reach areas. It is especially useful for rolling tubes located close to the shell or deep inside the bundle, where standard tooling is difficult to position. The shaft is easy to use and provides accurate, stable operation across the full speed range. The machine can also be equipped with our pneumatic flex holder, improving tool control for smoother, more stable operation, especially during repetitive, all-day-long tube expanding work. Technical specifications. Tube capacity is from 1/2 inch to 1½ inch. Power supply is 230 volts, 50 to 60 hertz, and supported language is English. It is fully CE compliant and compliant with RoHS requirements, cutting-edge functions. The TES-2000 is equipped with practical features that improve daily workflow, including adjustable speed and torque for precise, repeatable control. Designed for real-world productivity, the TES-2000 helps you move from setup to expansion quickly. Start faster, work more consistently, and keep full control of every cycle. A clear, operator-friendly interface makes daily operations straightforward for experienced professionals and for those just starting with tube expanding work. Advanced programmable functions still deliver the precision experts expect, including adjustable speed and torque, programmable timers, and automatic report generation. The result is a tube expansion process that is easier to manage, easier to repeat, and easier to document, job after job. Contact us now for more information or quotation.